Hello, everyone, and welcome back to English Through Talks podcast. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Daniel. Today we have another easy English conversation for beginners.
Today's topic is English conversation at the library.
Let's begin.
Hi, Daniel. What are you doing here?
Hi, Sarah. I'm looking for a book.
What kind of book?
A book about history.
Oh, I like history books too.
Really? What's your favorite subject?
I enjoy reading about different countries and cultures.
That sounds interesting.
Hello, can I help you?
Yes, please. I'm looking for a history book.
The history section is on the second floor.
Thank you very much.
You're welcome. Daniel, do you visit libraries often?
Not very often, but I enjoy the quiet atmosphere.
Me too. Libraries are peaceful places.
And they're great for studying.
Do you prefer reading books or watching videos?
I like both, but books help me focus better.
That's true.
Excuse me, can I borrow this book?
Of course. Do you have a library card?
Yes, I do.
Great. You can keep the book for 2 weeks.
Perfect. Thank you.
Let's practice some useful library phrases.
Good idea.
Can I help you?
I'm looking for a book.
Do you have a library card?
Can I borrow this book?
Excellent.
Today we practiced useful English phrases for visiting a library.
We hope this conversation helps improve your English listening and speaking skills.
Thank you for listening to English Through Talks podcast.
Don't forget to subscribe and practice English every day.
See you next time.
Bye, everyone.